guys, how are you doing? Today we're sitting in a very special Golf GTI Club Sport. We just collected this 510 and I think more than 500 Newton meter car from HG Motorsport or HG Motorsport in Germany. Some of you might remember that we had several exhausts already from HG Motorsport. First of all, we had our Focus RS MK3 equipped with an exhaust, and then we also got our Audi S1 equipped with the, I think it was the downpipe that we got from HG Motorsport. So a nice heritage and a nice feeling coming back to that company and now picking up this car. So making it short, 510 horsepower through the front wheels, of course, with a new turbocharger that needs to be in here, a new intercooler set in here. We have the Ego X exhaust in the back that you will hear or have already heard in the beginning. We have the Bull X downpipe, including OPF and catalyst, everything in there, so that you're able to drive this car fully EU and TÜV compliant on a German road, which is nice. Yeah, and without further talking, of course, we want to find out today how fast this car goes, 100 to 200. I probably have to take the traction control off in order to really get the power down. That's really nice, but you already hear some pops and bangs. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's very nice for a 4-cylinder nowadays. I mean, this is not the facelift, but still it's the recent car. It's the Golf 8 GTI Club Sport. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 7.3 seconds. Oh my goodness, almost flat. I mean, that's the corrected time is 7.4. 100 to 200. This is quicker than a 992 GTS with almost 500 horsepower. Wow, quite amazing, I have to say. Next run, let's see. To admit, that was a bit of downhill. There, but yeah, 7.2 seconds corrected, probably again 7.4, 7.5, and how that thing pulls to 250. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so guys, I think you have seen some amazing sounds and times. I'm truly amazed on how quick that car is. Of course, front wheel drive and 500 horsepower is nothing for wet roads and nothing for, let's say, beginners. But once you get the power down, specifically on the Autobahn, I mean, this is an Autobahn car, you can definitely feel that there's lots of power in, because, I mean, we're looking at the mid-7s, low 7 seconds, 100 to 200, and those pops and bangs, constant pops and bangs in the back. I mean, this is faster than an RS6 Performance. This is faster than a 992 GTS. This is faster than a lot of cars. I'm truly astonished on how much they got out of this car. It's a lot faster than an RS3. It is more than a second faster than our BMW M2 with 480 HP, 100 to 200. So wow. Really looking forward to your comments in the discussion on the video. If you maybe even already have HG Motorsport parts.